Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today we learn about most interesting topic, that is backward counting. Backward counting is the process of counting in reverse order, starting from a higher number and decreasing by 1 unit at a time. So let's count backward numbers from 30 to 20. So let us start our class. 30, 30, 29, 29, 28, 28, 27, 27, 26, 26, 25, 25, 24, 24, 23, 23, 22, 22, 21, 21, and 20. 20. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.